Good morning. Our next experiment is digital to analog converter using R to R ladder method. So previously in our previous experiment, it is that weighted resistor digital to analog converter. In that weighted resistor digital to analog converter, as the number of bits increases, automatically the resistance value also increases. If bits are more, so we need to use resistance value. So here in this R2R ladder network, we have only two resistance values. One is R, another one is a 2R. So the aim of this experiment is to convert the 4-bit digital input into the analog output voltage. Okay, the components required for this experiment is that operational amplifier LM324AD, as we all know that it consisting of 4 op amps. Okay, among those 4 op amps, we are going to use only one op amp. Next one is the resistors. Okay, 1 kilo ohm resistors, 2 kilo ohm resistor and 3 kilo ohm resistors. Let's go to the circuit. Okay, this is our circuit. In this circuit, these are the 2R resistance values. Okay, 2k 2k 2k, these are the 2R the resistance values, and these are the 1R resistance value. R, this is R, which is nothing but R, this is nothing but a 2R. Okay, 2R is connected in parallel and series resistance are R resistors. That means 1 kilo ohm resistors. Our feedback resistance is this one. Okay, it is an inverting R to R ladder A to digital to analog converter. So here this one is a plus 5 volts, indicates the 1 logic 1. Okay, here we are going to use the SPDT switch. This SPDT switch, if it is connected to plus 5 volts, then this is considered as a logic 1. Next, if it is open, means it is connected to the ground, that is 0. Okay, let me explain this circuit in deep. Okay, this is our circuit I has opened in paint. So these all are the 2 kilo ohm resistors. Suppose I am assuming that our bit value, this is an MSB beta, this is MSB beta. So this is an LSB beta, LSB beta. So these all are 2 kilo ohm resistor, these all are 1 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, let us assume this one is connected to 1 and remaining all are zeros. So logically, how should we represent this one? 1 and remaining all are zeros. Okay, it is a 4-bit now, remaining all are zeros. Now come to here, we need to calculate the output voltage for this particular input configuration. So that what I am doing, I will start from here. I am going to reduce this network. So this is a 2 kilo ohm resistor and this is also 2 kilo ohm resistor. These two are in parallel. So these two are in parallel means 2 kilo ohm, 2 kilo ohm and 2R. Let us assume these are 2Rs. So 2R parallel with 2R. So if you solve this expression, we will get a output, equivalent resistance value is R. So 2R and 2R, okay, we will get a equivalent resistance value is R. So this is R and this is also R. So you will get a total, these two are in series, so the equivalent resistance of this one is 2R. Next, these 2R resistance and this 2R resistance both are in parallel. So equivalent resistance value will get it as an R because it is connected to 0. It is also connected to 0. Okay, I'm saying that it is only the one. Now these two are in parallel. Okay, this is 2R and this is also 2R. These two are in parallel, so that if you simplify this expression, we'll get the equivalent resistance is R. So this is R and this are in series, so that we'll get a resistance value is 2R. R plus R is 2R. So these two are in 2R. But here this switch is closed and it is connected to the plus 5 volts. So let us assume this is a 5 volts voltage. Okay, it is 5 volts voltage. For this kind of situation, we need to take the Thevenin's voltage and Thevenin's resistance. So what I am doing, first I am calculating the voltage, Thevenin's voltage of this circuit. This is a 2R and this one is also 2R, and our reference voltage, that is 1 logic 1 input voltage value is 5 volts. I am considering it as an VR, that is reference voltage VR. So that VR VTH is equals to VR into opposite resistance 2 kilo ohm by 2 kilo ohm plus 2 kilo ohm, that is 4 kilo ohm. So if you simplify this one, this 2 to get, sorry, it is 4 r 4 r 2 2 is a 4, so we have a 2 r, so r gets cancelled, gets cancelled. Now what we have, VR by 2, that is VR by 2 is our Thevenin's voltage at this point. So what I'm doing, I'm going to calculate the Thevenin's resistance also. These two are in, these two resistors, this one is a 2 kilo ohm resistor, this 2 kilo ohm resistor, these two resistors are in parallel, so that if we simplify this one, we'll get a R here. So this is R and this one is a 2K. So these two are in series, so R plus 2R, this, let us assume this is a 2R, R plus 2R will get a 3R here. So this is a 3R and the voltage, Thevenin's voltage is VR by 2, so VR by 2. Now I am going to calculate the output voltage. Output voltage V naught is equals to what? Feedback resistance. Feedback resistance, that is 3R by input resistance is 3R. 3R. 3R by 3R into Vi. Vi is what? VR by 2. That is VR by 2. So this is our reference voltage. VR is what? 5 volts, or otherwise this point, what is this point? This is D. So that V naught is equals to D by 2. Okay, suppose if you want to calculate the voltage, if we want to calculate the configuration like this one is 1 and remaining all are zeros. So this one is 1 and remaining all are zeros. So for such a case, what we get? We will get VR by 4. VR by 4 is nothing but this one, this voltage. So for this is one case, the output of this circuit. Okay, like that. For in case if you want to calculate, this one is 1, remaining all are zeros, means we'll get a VR by 8. For this case, what you get? If this one is a 1 and remaining all are zeros case, for such a case we'll get a VR by 16. Okay, like that it is VR by 2, VR by 4, VR by 8, VR by 16. Okay, so that the voltage expression for this one, commonly used voltage expression for this one is, okay, this is a voltage expression for that one. Okay, V naught is equals to RF feedback resistance by input resistance into, this is a point, A by 16, B by 8, C by 4 and D by 2. Suppose this is a D value is 1, remaining all are zeros, means what you get, RF by R into D by 2, that is D nothing but a reference voltage. D value is 1 by 2. Like that we are going to find the output voltages. If suppose our C and D input values are connected to the VCC, so that this is VCC 1 by 4 and this VR value, that is 5 by 4 plus 5 by 2. Okay, remaining two values are zeros. Like that we need to find the output voltage with corresponding input, digital input voltages. Okay, this is about our digital to analog converter R to R ladder network. Okay, let me execute in our NI Multisim software. I think you all know about how to connect this circuit. Okay, this one is SPDT switcher. Okay, I will show you the SPDT switcher in our software. First you should listen this circuit. First, all zeros. For all zeros case, I am going to run the simulation. For all our input, digital input voltage are zeros, means then our analog output voltage is a 551.6 microvolts is our output voltage. You should note down in your tabular form. First, all zeros case tabular form, for our input all zeros, our output voltage value is 556 microvolts. Okay, next, this is a analog output voltage and this one is a digital input. Next case 001 case, that means this this is an LSB bit, na? LSB bit is A is 1 and remaining all are zeros. Now I will show it in. So this is connected to, you just click on there, it is connected to plus 5 volts. Okay, now this LSB bit is 1, remaining all are zeros. Then stop there and execute. Our output voltage is a 469 millivolts. Previously it is microvolts, now it is millivolts. So should note down the output voltage. So this value is 469 millivolts. Like that, you are going to note down the values for 0010. For 10 case, that means this value 0, this value is 1. So for such a case also, you should run the circuit. This one is 1, 0010. So 10 case, just stop it and run. So what is our output voltage? 938 millivolts. Okay, like that, each and every bit you need to take the output voltages. Okay, so here we don't know how to pick this SPDT switch. Okay, I will show it to you. First go to this one and select a switch. Where is switch? Here you need to select SPDT. SPDT switch is like this. This is connected to ground and this one is connected to VCC. Okay, right. Select it and paste it here. Then rotate as per our requirement and then make the connections and execute the circuit. Okay, this is all about digital to analog converter using R to R ladder. Okay, right.